Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video because it's all about my first attempt at learning how to cornrow. It's something I've always wanted to do. Yes, I only use about 15 minutes to learn how to cornrow. Yeah, I practiced on a mannequin, which made it so easier to focus and learn at my own pace. There were definitely some challenges along the way, but it was such a fun and rewarding experience. Yeah, I think putting the lines together straight and neat if you've ever thought about trying the cornrows, I hope this video inspires you to take that first step. It's my first time, just like me, better. So yeah, this was when my friend was teaching me how to do it. She demonstrating by showing me how because to that's the mannequin hair neatly. To get that great as she braided, she pointed out some important tips: holding the hair firmly, maintaining even tension, and adding small amounts of hair gradually as you go. I watched her hands closely to understand how she was weaving the strands together. It was like watching art in motion. I wasn't getting it at first, but with the second step, I was able to grab some tips and also try my first attempt. So this was when I was parting my hair, getting that neat line.